But first, let's tell you about the holiday tree collection. It started today. A little wet out there, though.
Mm-hmm.
And by the way, Fitchburg resident, who I won't say, I saw a bag on a tree.
Yikes.
You can't do that. Holiday tree collection has already started, and it goes through the end of this week. Please remove bags, lights, and stands from your trees and place them curb at the stump. Facing. Yeah, put them at the curb. Sorry.
Yep.
I just wanted to butch that all the way.
Yeah, it's all good.
Ensure that you keep the snow, which there's none left, but keep the water maybe away. If you can't get it out there this weekend or this week, wow, I'm just not ready for the show.
You got to get it out there this week. But in the chance that you have it out there and they don't pick it up, if it gets to the 27th, then feel free to contact the Public Works Department after that. But get it out there because, you know what I mean, time's running out.
Thank you, buddy.
No problem. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, are you interested in ag and rural affairs? Well, they have a listening session coming
Question
up.
mark?
That's right. They have the listening session at 4 p.m. tonight, or this evening, rather. And it's going to be at 2271 Fitch-Rona Road, which is Dorfer Farm. Woo. The intent of the session, well, to provide folks or interested parties an update on the recent work of the Agriculture and Rural Affairs Committee, and as well as gather some feedback from citizens on various issues of interest to you. So if you want to get out there, have your voice be heard, that's tonight, 4 p.m.
If you can't make it, we'll have you covered, and we'll recap that meeting right here tomorrow on Talking Fitchburg. Also, we got another meeting coming up for you, the McGaw Park Forest Management Plan. Yes, taking off on Thursday. A meeting will be held for the McGaw neighbors on Thursday, January 25th. The meeting will be held in the Sain Room, located at the lower level of the Fitchburg Community Center, 5510 Lacey Road. This will begin at 6:30 on the 25th. The agenda is out there. If you can't make it to the meeting, don't worry. Like you ever worried. We got you covered here. And we'll recap that one Friday morning.
All right, competing events. Back to back. I got to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, January 25th, you're having some decisions to make here. At 6:30 p.m. at the Fitchburg Public Library, there's the Sustainable You Workshop. So this features tips on eating smart, being active in the new year, and other ideas for improving your health. Hey, they're going to have free healthy pizza choices from Ian's Pizza there. And you can learn about meal planning and grocery lists, reading food labels, comparing brands, shopping for healthy foods on a budget, quick and healthy meal prep, and easy strategies for getting active for people with busy schedules. So super important stuff that applies to literally each and every one of us.
Fantastic. And if the competition wasn't already hot, there's one more happening Thursday night. This one you need tickets for. It's the Fitchburg Chamber Visitor and Business Bureau's 20th anniversary celebration from 5 to 8 p.m. at Dream House Dream Kitchens.
Yeah.
$75 for the tickets. Stop on by. There's a special guest. Did you want to reveal your friend?
Is it that bowl of fire in that picture? Don't think so. It's Casey Fitz-Randolph, Olympian.
Speed skater extraordinaire will be there, and of course, lots of other fun stuff. Congratulations to the Chamber on their 20 years.
20 years.
That's pretty phenomenal.
It is.